Hi! Today we will discuss how outsourcing community management tasks to the Philippines boosts tenant satisfaction. As residential property rentals surged by 25% in 2023, U.S. property management companies strive to enhance community management. However, these rising demands also bring about new obstacles for property management companies. So, what are these challenges in community management? The first challenge is managing the facilities. Managing facilities entails proactive oversight, ensuring both functionality and excellence while anticipating and preventing issues to foster a harmonious community experience. The second is addressing complaints and requests. Addressing community complaints effectively requires adopting efficient, transparent methods that prioritize resident satisfaction and reinforce trust. Third is upholding financial stability. Managing a community's finances requires careful budgeting, foresight, and informed decisions to optimize resources while maintaining quality. Fourth is facilitating speedy communication. In a diverse community, one of the challenges is ensuring that essential messages stand out and resonate with the intended audience amid a wealth of information. And fifth is ensuring security. Meeting the constant security needs of gated communities in the digital age, with a focus on resident safety and convenience, challenges the adequacy of traditional methods like paper logs and manual approvals. Now that we have explored some common community management challenges, let us now discuss the specific tasks property management companies can do to prevent those issues. Number one, operational supervision. Community management encompasses vital tasks like addressing resident concerns, record keeping, policy alignment, and financial oversight for effective operation and well being. Number two, financial management. Effective community management involves proactive budget monitoring, timely vendor payments, adherence to assessment policies, and fostering financial transparency for community sustainability and well being. Number three, tax handling. In community management, one crucial task is facilitating connections between the board and skilled professionals like CPAs and attorneys, ensuring timely compliance with state and federal reporting requirements. Number four, insurance navigation. Community managers, including navigating insurance, help coordinate with the board to secure competitive insurance bids, understand coverage needs, and maintain accurate records for a well protected community. Number five, policy establishment. Community management includes aiding the board with the policies to ensure legal compliance and meet community needs, promoting effective governance. Number six, shared space maintenance. Maintaining shared spaces is a key community management task, including upkeep, safety, and proactive maintenance to improve overall community quality of life. And number seven, communication promotion. In community management, facilitating board communication, compiling action items, and bridging resident board interactions promote transparency and community engagement. These tasks go a long way in helping property management companies stay on top of their community management. However, without the necessary expertise and resources, many property management companies find themselves struggling to fulfill these community management tasks. As a workaround, they outsource their community management. Here are some ways that outsourcing community management to the Philippines can enhance tenant satisfaction. First, enhance amenities. Enhancing tenant satisfaction and property appeal can be achieved by staying updated on real estate trends, seeking tenant input, and outsourcing community management in the Philippines, ultimately resulting in happier tenants and a successful rental property. Second, maintain properties proactively. Proactive maintenance, including HVAC checks, pest control, landscaping, and structural assessments, assures tenant satisfaction and safety, while outsourcing to the Philippines can bring skilled oversight, elevating amenities, and strengthening tenant landlord relationships. Third, provide ongoing feedback and assessment. Outsourcing community management tasks to the Philippines enables you to tap into a skilled workforce, adept at gathering tenant feedback, conducting surveys, and fostering tenant satisfaction, ultimately nurturing a well managed community environment. Fourth, simplify maintenance procedures. Efficient maintenance processes, including streamlined issue reporting, reliable outsourcing partnerships, and regular property inspections, significantly improve tenant satisfaction and community management when tasks are outsourced to locations like the Philippines. And fifth, outsourcing your community management tasks to the Philippines promotes open communication and transparency. Fostering clear and open communication is essential in community management, particularly when outsourcing tasks to the Philippines to improve tenant satisfaction by offering convenient channels, ensuring prompt responses, and enhancing overall support. With an understanding of how outsourcing to the Philippines can elevate tenant satisfaction in community management, let us examine the essential considerations when outsourcing this task to an external provider. Number one, cost evaluation. When considering outsourcing for community management, cost evaluation is vital as it may involve an initial expense but can lead to significant long term savings while improving community operations and resident satisfaction. Number two, expertise assessment. When outsourcing community management tasks, evaluating your chosen service provider's expertise is vital for achieving your community success. And number three, reputation assessment. When outsourcing community management tasks, ensure the service provider has a strong, trustworthy reputation backed by successful projects, verified through customer reviews and client preferences to ensure a smooth and efficient community management plan. Having chosen to outsource your community management tasks to the Philippines, how can you guarantee a seamless and efficient outsourced community management process? Here are the following ways how. First is to establish defined goals and guidelines. To ensure smooth and efficient outsourced community management, start by establishing clear objectives and guidelines and fostering a productive partnership. Second, maintain ongoing communication. Maintain a regular communication schedule with your outsourced team to ensure alignment, minimize misunderstandings, and achieve successful outcomes. Third, maximize technology integration. Optimize technology integration for efficient outsourced community management, fostering collaboration, tracking progress, and ensuring connectivity across distances. Fourth, hire the appropriate team. Effective community management hinges on assembling a skilled and vetted team, aligning them with their organization's needs and expectations, ensuring a successful strategy. And finally, cultivate compassion and empathy. Fostering a supportive and empathetic connection with your outsourced team is essential for ensuring smooth and efficient community management. Optimize tenant satisfaction by outsourcing community management tasks to the Philippines. Visit ktci.co to learn more.